Watch it. Last one. Clear by the floor.
Let's check the layout. Okay, line set. Let's get the barriers up fast.
Barrier secure. Tear it down.
Watch for dust. Keep it contained.
Sweep it up. Looks clear.
Starting the trench cut.
Got it. Laying pipes right after.
Wiring this one now, connecting the power. Power's on, look at that, it's so bright, it's done. Let's test the coverage. Perfect for the procedure room.
Let's go, fast pace. Behind you. Good pace, keep it up. Almost done with this row.
Ready to install these doors? Yep, let's do it. Okay, lift the top panel. It's catching on the left. Looks good in now. Perfect. Let's get this panel in place. On it, bracing now. Good, now the railings, fast. Grabbing the next bar, almost done. Keep the pace. Perfect, corridor secured. Starting the install. First, the sink. Faucet connected, now for the toilet. Bolting the base, all set. Okay, let's get these counters in. Right, I'll grab this one. Good. Now for the mounts, aligning it now. Perfect. Station's complete.
We gotta get this done, fast! I'm on it, let's move! Grab the panels, hurry! Got it, head to the wall! All set, looks great!
This surface is shining now. Floor's looking clean, outside's moving fast. Yeah, they're really transforming it. Almost done here, let's check it. All right, team, let's get these corridors equipped now. Wheelchairs moving out. Carts rolling in, check. Sanitation stations, left wall, go. Corridors fully equipped, great work.
Supply cart's ready.
Vital stable in 204?
Yes, just cleaned. Next room.
Good, I'll check.
Team, labs are in.